like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out of doing like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with my Ipsy Glam bag. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, you probably are older than Methuselah, but the Glam bag is $14.99, and I buy this on my own, and I'll be honest with you, I get the Glam bag so that I can have access to the Icon bag. But I mean, the reasoning is, I think I'm going to switch to BoxyCharm because they're full-size items, because I tend not to reach for full-size items, and it's like, what are you going to do? You know, but this is the Glam bag, and with the Glam bag, you usually get 5 items and a bag, and let's see, do they have the prices on? It don't matter, it's written so small I couldn't read it if I had to. I'll put the prices on the screen, and I'll do the math down below like I always do, and I will leave the links if I can find them. Some of them are, already gone. So the first thing I'm getting, and you always get a bag every month. You get a bag, and somehow I care less about the bag. I guess it's supposed to be a strawberry. This time it's a strawberry. Nice, I guess. I thought it was a watermelon, but I guess not. Okay, yeah, it makes sense now. Okay, and this is a brush, and you get to choose what, 1 item or 2 items, something like that. One item, but it's $14.99 and $1.99 shipping, so 17 bucks. But the BoxyCharm is like 30. So I'm thinking, if I'm going to use it more, it might be more appropriate. So, and I think I'm going to cancel ice cream because you can only handle so many palettes. And it's great, don't get me wrong, but let's be honest. I'm an older woman, so I think I'm going to cancel ice cream and get another box. I'm thinking about doing test tube. So we will see. But anyway, because it's got a lot of skincare on it. But the first thing you get is this SOPHIA Morella. No. What the heck? Oh, M-A-B-E. Oh, it's SOPHIA and MABELLE. I was like, what? That's not it anyway. Goodness Christ. This is SLMISSGLAM Strawberry Blusher Contour Brush. And it's a good brush. I mean, it's synthetic. It's a good brush. There's staying in it. I mean, So, it's a good brush. It's a decent brush. The handle fits your hand nice. And what can you say about brushes, you're either going to use it or you're going to toss it, and it really depends on the quality of the brush. I mean, if it serves its purpose, you're going to use it. Now, there's nice brushes out there. Am I going to pay $150 for a brush? Nope. Am I going to pay $150 for a whole set of brushes? Nope. Yeah, this is probably maybe a $5 brush, maybe 10. Okay, you're in my price range now. That's the truth. Okay, so let's just do this. Because, as you can tell, my allergies are going. And I already filmed one thing today. So I'm not really feeling that great. And I just got back from my sister's house after having Mom's graveside service. So I took Dan home. Thank goodness. But he was really good at the doctor. I was surprised. I thought I was going to have a fit with him all day. Because he had to get up early, and he's like me. He don't like mornings. Okay, this is hey, I should have just read it on here. This is SOPHIA and MABELLE. MABELLE, maybe? MABELLE, I think that's how it's. MABELLE. I think it's probably MABELLE. And this is finishing powder. Yeah, finishing powder. Well, I can't even get it open. What the heck? I'm having a day. I haven't put my nails on. I'm probably not going to until I get this house cleaned up. You know. Oh, I see. No wonder I can't. Because I think it's one of those that you gotta push it in and then pull it up. Well, heck. What the heck? Maybe. Well, it looks like that. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, and it's got a mirror. And there's your finishing powder. And it's just a finishing powder. I mean, it just makes everything stay in place. I mean, it's not intended for really any coverage or anything, but some people like to put it on just as a low makeup day instead of makeup. And then we got Watch Me. And this is a mascara. And it's from WhatsUp And I'm not going to open this either, like I said on the other one, because I'm in the process of doing a mascara thing. So that'll work great for that. I wasn't when I picked this month, but okay. It works for me, so I'm going to go with it. Okay, this is Saturday Skin. What are you? Maybe I can see you here better. Okay, this is I don't know, Açai, berry, and oats. Anti-Oxidant Gel Cleanser. It's a cleanser, so there's really nothing to see here. It's a cleanser, and I've heard good things about Saturday Skin, but I don't think I've ever actually tried it. So I might try it, because I've heard really good things about it. And then the last thing in this box is ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. And it's for us old people. What are you going to say? It's about us old people. It's for us old people who can't see me. There goes my stomach again. It's been growling all day. I'm not hungry. It's just overactive. So there's this. Yeah. I'll be honest with you. That first one was a little bit runny. But this is the consistency. Yeah, that first one was really. Yeah, I think it needed to be mixed. So if you get yours, you might want to shake it before you open it. And it's ELEMIS. It's fast absorbing. We all like ELEMIS. ELEMIS is a good product. So anyway, that's today's video. I need to get that trash out because it stinks. And come on back. Like, subscribe. Old people need love too. Come on back.